Navigate to noblebiocare.com. On the top right of the website, next to the picture of the globe, please first select your country that you reside in. In this example, we will select United States. On the top right, select Menu, select Lab Solutions, scroll down, click on Noble Procera Open Access. Once you're on the Noble Biocare Noble Procera Open Access page, scroll to the bottom and select Download the exocad software, Download Now. The desktop will work as a location to save this file. Once the file has been saved to your computer, locate that file. You will see exocad software fda.zip or another compressed format if it's not zip. You can right-click on this file. You will see multiple options. You will see WinZip. You have options here. If you're using 7-zip or WinRAR or any other compression software, those will work as well. In this example, we're using WinZip, where you can select Open with WinZip. The two files that are in the compressed folder are Noble Biocare DentalCAD 3.1 FDA and exocad Framework 2022.exe. First, on the exocad Framework 2022.exe, right-click and select Unzip. Select the desktop as a location to download the file, and select Unzip. Once you have extracted the exocad Framework 2022.exe file to a location on your computer, perhaps the desktop, you can then double-click to run this executable file, choosing Next through all the prompts, leaving the destination folder set as this path, C Program Files, exocad Framework. Click Install. Follow all the prompts for installation. Once the exocad Framework 2022.exe file has been installed on the computer, refer back to the WinZip archive or reopen the downloaded file from the website, and you will right-click on the folder Noble Biocare DentalCAD 3.1 FDA and select Unzip. Select your C drive. Select Unzip. Once you have uncompressed the Noble Biocare DentalCAD 3.1 folder, you can navigate to your C drive and you will notice a folder there called Noble Biocare DentalCAD 3.1. So you can open that up. Within this, you'll see several different folders here. What we need to do now is make shortcuts for the DentalDB and the DentalCAD app. To make a shortcut for the DentalDB folder first, you'll want to select DentalDB, then select bin, and then you'll see below dentaldb.exe. You can right-click on this, select Send To, and then you can click on Desktop Create Shortcut. For creating a shortcut for the DentalCAD app as well, select DentalCAD app, bin, and then dentalcadapp.exe, right-click, Send To, and then Desktop Create Shortcut. Now you'll be able to access the DentalDB and the CAD app directly from those shortcuts created. Now, on your desktop, you will see two shortcuts, dentaldb.exe and dentalcadapp.exe. Click on the dentaldb.exe icon to launch the software. On the top, under Indications and Materials, you'll notice it says Default, exocad Default. Click on the down arrow to the right. This will bring up the Change Material Configuration. Under Dental Share, select Noble Biocare, Noble Procera Production, Noble Procera at exocad Milling Center for Noble Biocare, and click OK.